sir.
What?
Haircut.
Oh, haircut. I'm looking for maybe like a high cut. I kind of have curls up top, but if I cut it too short, then it gets really, really straight. So maybe just kind of cutting it towards the back and then the sides a little bit. But just like we'll go along with it, and maybe I'll see if I like it or not. But if I don't like it, then maybe I don't know. We'll just kind of.
Hindi ko maintindihan.
What? Oh, like I like a cut in the back because it's kind of long right now, and then the sides as well. But then keep the top nice and long, it's nice and curly, and it kind of looks good.
Ano? Sir, baka na lang magpagupit. Hindi ko maintindihan sinasabi mo.